Hey YouTube, I am back with another Senegalese twist tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to be doing some small jet black lower back Senegalese twist on my beautiful client. Before we get started, I just wanted to say thank you to all my subscribers. I'm now at just over 1,000 subscribers and I'm extremely grateful. To my new viewers, you're highly appreciated as well. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you. I usually start my Senegalese twist off with a small box braid at the beginning or base. I have not yet mastered the rope twist method where it's twisted from the beginning at the root as yet. So in this tutorial, I'll be starting the Senegalese twist off with a small box braid before I start twisting. And my client prefer this method because it lasts longer. So if you're a beginner at doing Senegalese twist, just a little tip. Some braiders twist to the left or twist to the left direction, and others twist to the right or twist to the right direction. There's no right or wrong way to twist when it comes to this. I'm right-handed and I twist to my left. If you're having a hard time twisting to the left, then try twisting to your right. If you're having a hard time twisting to your right, then try twisting to your left or in the left direction. So a question I get asked a lot is how many times do I braid before I start twisting? I usually do not count, but for the purpose of the tutorial or video, I tried. And it's roughly around 15 times. I know that sounds like a lot, but if you look carefully, you can only see the box braid at the root. It's barely 1% of the twist. And the purpose of the box braid is just to secure the twist and to keep the twist from sliding out. So to sum it up, whenever you feel like the twist is secured, then split the braiding hair together with the client's natural hair into 2 even parts or sections and start twisting. You'll also see that I did not twist all the way to the end or to the bottom of the twist, and that's because my client requested to have the ends of her twist crinkled or wet and wavy, meaning that when I'm finished twisting the entire head, I'm going to braid the ends of the twist together, then dip them in hot water. If she requested the ends of her braids bone straight, then I would have twisted all the way to the end of the twist or as close to the end as possible. Another tip, ask your client to hold on to the twist whenever you're going to be twisting sensitive areas like the nape or the edges. It's going to help with reducing tension or friction on the hair. So the client requested that her edges be braided close together, and this is just so when she pulls her hair up in a high ponytail or a bun, you won't be able to see straight through her braids. This is not mandatory. Some clients request it and some clients do not. If you really like Senegalese twist but feels like your edges are not strong enough, then another alternative will be knotless Senegalese twist. They are extremely lightweight and less tension on the edges. So I prefer using the C-part or free-part method when doing Senegalese twist, and that's because the C-part method gives the braids a much fuller appearance. Each of the twists falls in between the twists at the bottom. Let's go over a few things. First, I apply my braiding gel, making sure the edges are laid. Then, using my duck clip, I carve or part a small C-section out. I then start off with a small box braid, and when I feel like the braid is completely secured, I split the hair into two equal parts or sections. I then roll the right section to the right and the left section to the right as well before crisscrossing them over each other, and I begin twisting. You ain't even gotta impress me. If the main goal is to undress me, that's the only thing that I'm addressing. At the Hollywood like you inventing, as if you wasn't eating me for breakfast. Stop talking to me, listen when I'm venting. I'm the one who messed up on your bedding. You're pointing fingers at me like I'm selfish. When you only call me when you're alone, and every time I take you back, I'm not afraid of the whole fact that you gon' leave away from home. And by the ending in your map, like what's the point of coming back? Down bad, ain't it sad? I want something that can last. Oh, tattoos,
Latino. I'ma make you shine, Donnie Dano when we know. We gon' make a movie real bad, Tarantino. Take you right up out of them Gino. You gon' spend the night, wake up blazing cappuccinos. Open up in Vegas, then we honeymoon in Reno. Got me down bad, baby, feeding for your Pino. Baby, don't distract me. You only call me when you're alone. And every time I take you back, I'm not afraid of the whole fact that you gon' leave away from home. And by the ending in your map, like what's the point of coming back? Down bad, ain't it sad? I want something that can last. Oh, tattoos matching, make me smoke while I'm laughing. Put me on your lap when we in the backseat. Back truck over to the places we be. That you gon' leave away from home. And by the ending in your map, like what's the point of coming back? Down bad, ain't it sad? I want something that can last. Oh, tattoos matching.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Bye.